Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to create this type of seamless text animation in After Effects without using any plugin. So let's get started. First, create a new composition. Now write text. I am using bold font. Now take a new null object, parent the text layer to a null object. Now open the rotation and scale of a null object. At starting rotation is -20, and after 1 second, 20. Now copy the first keyframe and paste it in 2 seconds. Now animate scale at starting 70, and after 1 second, 100. Now copy the first keyframe and paste it on 2 seconds now. Select all keyframes and easy ease them. Open the graph editor and set the graph to something like that. Also apply expression on scale and rotation. So for this, alt-click on the stopwatch icon and write loop out. So it looks simple and seamless animation. Now take a new render comp, drag the text layer on it. Now apply the fill effect on the text layer so we can change the text color easily. Also, apply drop shadow on the text layer. Now take a new adjustment layer and from Effect and Preset, apply the slider controller. Now lock the adjustment layer effect so we can easily connect the text layer to the slider. So open the scale of the text layer and apply an expression just like that. Now we can control the text layer by the slider. Apply a color controller on the adjustment layer. Now link the text fill to the color controller. Duplicate few times color controller. Now duplicate the text layer and link their color just like that, so we can easily change the colors. Now duplicate the text layer just like that. Now trim the comp after 1 second. And go to the Animation tab, select Keyframe Assistance, and select Sequence Layer, and hit OK, so it auto-sequences all the layers. Now set the layer just like that. Trim the composition to the work area that said Seamless Text Animation is ready. Hope you liked the video. You can download the project file link in the description box below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.